Is this new TONGATE Flip 7 case going to be worth it for your new Galaxy Flip 7? Let's find out. So starting off with the back here on the top part, you do get a nice screen protector, and that is going to be a privacy screen protector. So if people look at your phone from an angle, they're not going to be able to see what you're doing. And that is going to also cover that whole area right here. Plus you do get camera lens protection because you can see right here, you do get raised edges on that part. So if you drop your phone camera lens side down, it'll actually hit that raised edge first. In the middle right here, you can see that you have a spine piece, and not only does that protect the spine of your phone, but it also does act like an automatic hinge. So when you open and close your phone, it does move with it, and it also does lock into place if you want to unfold your phone. On the bottom, you also have a nice hard cover, so it's going to be great for shock absorption. And then you also do get a built-in kickstand, so you can flip that out, lock it into place. You can get your vertical and also your horizontal viewing as well. Another great protective feature is the bumpers on each corner of the case. That's going to be on the top and the bottom. So let's say you were to drop your phone on the sides or the edges, it'll hit those bumpers first, absorbing all the shock. And last but not least, the case does include a belt clip, which you use when the phone is folded in. So it makes it more compact, and it also does give it that extra protection since your phone does have the case plus that belt clip right here. And then it also does rotate 360, the actual clip, so you can get a lot of different angles or just choose an angle that you want. Overall though, I would definitely recommend this case from TONGATE for the Flip 7. It has all the protective features that you need, and it's going to definitely be a great daily case.